In the shadows of Queen Elizabeth's court, a web of treason was quietly spinning. Roberto Ridolfi, a wealthy Florentine banker and devout Catholic, conspired to dethrone Elizabeth and restore Catholicism to England. With the support of Mary Queen of Scots, imprisoned and desperate for power, and the ambitious Thomas Howard, Duke of Norfolk, the plan was audacious. Assassinate Elizabeth Spark, a rebellion of northern nobles, marry Mary to Norfolk and welcome 10,000 Spanish troops, led by the Duke of Alba from the Netherlands. Pope Pius V gave his blessing, King Philip II of Spain weighed his support, and Rodolph crisscrossed Europe spreading word of the plot. But treason speaks loud, even in whispers. Ridolfi's boasts reached the ears of Cosimo de' Medici, who quietly warned Elizabeth. At the same time, English spy master Sir Francis Walsingham was gathering damning evidence. Ridolfi's courier, Charles Bailey, was captured at Dover with ciphered letters and gold destined for Scottish rebels. Under torture, confessions followed. Norfolk's secretaries cracked. Hidden letters were uncovered, the cipher key was found, and the plot unraveled. Norfolk denied involvement, but the evidence was overwhelming. He was arrested and sent to the Tower. By early 1572, the Queen had seen enough. Norfolk was tried, found guilty of high treason, and beheaded in June. Ridolfi, still abroad, vanished into exile. Spain's ambassador was expelled, and Mary, now permanently distrusted by Elizabeth, would never see freedom or the throne. The Ridolfi plot had failed, but it had ignited a firestorm of religious paranoia and tightened the noose around England's Catholics. Elizabeth had survived, this time.